先週、少し暑かったですが、今週、暑くないです。In here we have four joys. The first one, more. The second, ni. The third, wa. And the last one, o. Which one do you think is correct for this sentence? It will translate to be English. It will be like this. It was hot last week, but it's not hot this week. 先週 mean last week. 少し is mean a little bit. 暑かった is mean was hot. And ga here is mean but. And 今週 mean this week. 暑くない is mean not hot or is not hot. This. So which one do you think is correct for the sentence? In here we have there are four joys, and each joy it have the two things that you can put to the sentence. Let's consider the first one. Let's say more. More is mean also, and you want to say watashi mo is mean I am also, and you want to say something else. Also is mean, for example, Mr. Tanaka-san. Mo is mean Mr. Tanaka also, or it means that the same, I am the same, like this. And the second, ni is mean too. For example, 学校に行きます which means I go to school. Or 図書館に行きます I go to the library. And the third one, wa we will use when we have when we want to create a sentence that have the subject and the object, and the wa will be between the object and the subject. For example, 私は学生です which means I am a student. 田中さんは先生です which means Mr. Tanaka is a teacher. So you see that one will be between the name, the subject, right, and the object. And the last one, or we will use with the verb. For example, ご飯を食べます。水を飲みます which means I eat rice, I drink water, like this. So which one do you think is correct? The correct one is the number 3, because we have the subject and the object. So when we create a sentence that have the subject and the object, we can use wa to be between the subject and the object, as you see here. So our full sentence will be like 先週は少し暑かったですが、今週は暑くないです which means it was hot last week, but it's not hot this week. And the correct one is the number 3. 飯ので散歩します。ご飯の で散歩します。1、次。2、後ろ。3、前。4、後。For the quiz like this, that means how do you pronunciation the zero kanji you see in the sentence. So in here we had 4 choices. The first one, tsuki. The second, ushiro. The third, mae. And the last one, ato. So if you translate to be English, it can be like this. I will take a walk after dinner. In here, sangpo is mean take walk or go for a walk. Like this, they say sangpo shimasu. In Japanese, and gohan is mean dinner, right? So just left only after. So that means how do you say after in Japanese, or how do you pronunciation the after in Japanese language? Actually, when we say after in Japanese language, it could be like ato de. So the correct one is the number 4, ato. And our full sentence will be like Gohan no ato de sanpo shimasu. Gohan no ato de sanpo shimasu. Which means I will take a walk after dinner. Ato de is mean after. For example, ato de shukudai o yarimasu, which means I will do my homework after that. Gakkou no ato de shukudai o yarimasu is mean after school I will do my homework. And the correct one is the number 4, ato. デパートに買い物に行きました。1、先週。2、先週。3、前週。4、前週。So which one do you think is correct for the zero kanji you see in the front of the sentence? For the question like this, that means how do you pronunciation the kanji in Japanese language? So after you see the kanji, you how do you pronunciation? And in here we have 4 choices, which each one just have something that's similar. So if you don't be careful, you cannot choose the correct one. And first, let's we translate to be English. If we translate to be English, it can be like this. Last week, I went shopping at a department store. Departo means department store. And kaimono is mean go shopping. And ikimashita is mean went to shopping or went shopping. And here they say I went shopping at a department store. So in here we already know that departo mean department store, and kaimono is mean shopping, and ikimashita is mean when. So it just left only last week. So how do you say last week in Japanese language? If you say last week in Japanese language, it can be like pronunciation like senshu, which means senshu. This means the shu should have the u, that means have the long sound. So it can be like senshu. And here the correct one is the number 2. 先週 is not 先週 the number 1 or the number 3 前週 or the number 4 前週 So our full sentence could be like 先週デパートに買い物に行きました which means last week I went shopping at a department store. And the correct one is the number 2, 先週. One more again, 先週 mean last week. もう一度ください。もう一度ください。1行って2来て3待って4立って Which answer do you think is correct for the sentence? Or how do you pronounce the zero kanji in the sentence? In here we have 4 joys. If we translate to English, it can be like this. Please say it again. Please say it again. もう一度 もう一度 mean again. ください mean please. So now just let only say it. So how do you say how do you pronounce the word say in Japanese language? In here we have the 4 joys. The first joy, 行って The second, 来て The third, 待って The fourth, 立って For the first one, 行って mean say something. You can say 行って And the second, 来て it mean that when you it mean come to. And the third, 待って is mean wait. And the fourth or the last one, 立って is mean stand up. So the correct one is the number 1, 行って Ite means say something or say it again. So our full sentence will be like もう一度言ってください。もう一度言ってください。Please say it again. And the correct one is number 1. 言って